What makes a great photograph great? Maybe it's when it takes us back to a moment in history that we've read about or heard about and reminds us of just how real it all was. Maybe it's when you get to witness someone making a choice to stand up, a choice to believe in something, to be brave, to do what others are afraid to do. Sometimes it's seeing innocence in the middle of turmoil, in the middle of something too big to understand, or just a moment of silence. Sometimes the camera's right in the thick of it, and you feel like you couldn't have gotten any closer. And sometimes the camera turns away from the spectacle, but we can still see everything that's important in a gesture or in a face. Sometimes the subject of the photograph isn't in the picture at all. Days have gone by, years, but it's still there. Often the theme is something simple, something we can all relate to. Loss, relief, joy. They're pictures of us. And often they don't need any words at all.